By connecting your Simplesat account to BrightGauge, you can track survey feedback from your help desk in real time. This integration also enables you to create dashboards and reports, helping your team stay updated on your company's customer feedback. To add Simplesat as a data source in your BrightGauge account, follow these steps. Open your BrightGauge account and navigate to Data Settings section, and then select the Data Sources option, and then click it. Select Simplesat as the data source you want to add. Enter Simplesat as the name, and paste your API key. To get your Simplesat API key, log into your account and head over to Account Settings and copy the key. Once you have obtained your Simplesat API key, you can proceed to paste it in the designated field when adding Simplesat as a data source in BrightGauge. Once the connection is done, your BrightGauge account will automatically be updated with two default dashboards, CSAT and NPS. To ensure that these dashboards display the relevant information accurately, you'll need to select the specific Simplesat survey you want to connect to. This can be done by choosing the appropriate option from the Global Filter menu. If you have any questions or need support, our team is ready to assist you through live chat or over a quick screen share call. Enjoy the ride!